What does tumble dry mean? Tumble dry means to dry clothes in a machine that uses hot air while spinning them. In simple words, tumble dry means drying clothes in a dryer. A tumble dryer is a machine that removes moisture from clothes by rotating them in a drum with warm or hot air. The word tumble means to move or roll around. So tumble dry means clothes roll around inside the dryer while drying. You often see the words tumble dry on clothing labels. For example, tumble dry low. This means you should dry the clothes in a dryer using low heat. Sometimes the label says, do not tumble dry. This means the clothes may get damaged in a dryer and should be air dried instead. Tumble drying is faster than drying clothes naturally in the sun. However, high heat can shrink or damage some fabrics like wool or silk. Here are some example sentences. Please tumble dry the towels. I put my clothes in the machine to tumble dry. The label says do not tumble dry this shirt. In simple terms, tumble dry means to dry clothes using a dryer machine. Easy way to remember. Tumble dry means machine dry.